From a biological and ecological standpoint, it's an incredible demonstration of adaptation and survival instincts. Animals' ability to sense and react to storms is a result of evolution, honed over millions of years to ensure their survival in fluctuating environments. From a spiritual or religious perspective, if you're considering it from a theological point of view, some might see the animal's abilities as a form of divine design or intervention. In many religious or spiritual beliefs, animals are thought to be created with an inherent ability to survive and thrive, possibly as part of a greater plan or purpose. The idea that animals have these instincts could be viewed as a testament to a higher power's care for all living creatures. For others, from a more naturalistic or scientific standpoint, this is simply a result of evolution. Animals that developed these survival mechanisms were more likely to survive and reproduce, passing those traits on to future generations. In this view, it's not necessarily a good or bad thing, but rather a natural process of survival and adaptation. Ultimately, how one perceives these survival mechanisms can vary based on individual beliefs about nature, creation, and the world around us. Do you view these survival traits as a part of a grand design or more as a natural evolutionary process? During storms, animals have developed various strategies and behaviors that help them stay safe and minimize harm. Here's how some animals react to severe weather conditions to protect themselves. First way is seeking shelter. Burrowing animals like rabbits, moles, and certain reptiles seek shelter in burrows or underground dens. The earth acts as a shield, protecting them from wind, rain, and temperature changes. Trees and plants, birds and other small animals may take refuge in dense foliage or tree canopies, where they can find shelter from the wind and rain. Many insects, such as ants and bees, retreat to their nests or hives, while some species of moths and butterflies may hide under leaves. Second way is 2. Behavioral changes. Reduced activity. Animals often sense changes in atmospheric pressure and the approach of storms through heightened senses, and many reduce their activity. For example, some animals may stay put and wait out the storm to avoid unnecessary exposure. Sensing storms. Many animals, including dogs, cats, and some birds, can sense storms before they arrive due to their heightened senses. This early detection prompts them to seek shelter or exhibit unusual behavior, like restlessness or anxiety. A third strategy, adaptations to water. Aquatic animals, fish, amphibians, and other aquatic animals typically aren't affected by rain or floods, as they are well adapted to water. Some species even thrive in rainstorms, as they experience an influx of fresh water into their habitats. Flooding adaptations. Animals that live in flood-prone areas, like certain frogs or amphibians, have evolved to survive submersion. Some species of frogs can even enter a dormant state, called estivation, during long floods. Fourth, wind and storm-resistant features. Wind resistance. Animals with sturdy bodies and structures are more likely to survive strong winds. For example, large mammals like elephants and rhinoceroses can endure harsh winds due to their massive size and thick skin. Birds and flying creatures. Many birds take shelter in safe areas or even fly to calmer areas if the storm is particularly violent. Some species of migratory birds have a sixth sense for weather and will change their migratory patterns to avoid storms. Fifth point, hiding in safe zones. Small mammals and reptiles, many smaller creatures, such as rodents and reptiles, hide in burrows or under rocks to avoid the harsh elements. Their natural hiding places shield them from both the elements and predators. Crawling insects such as beetles, cockroaches, and spiders often find cracks, crevices, or sheltered spots to take refuge during storms. Number 6. Specialized adaptations. Shelter in shells. Turtles and certain mollusks can retreat into their shells for protection during storms. Their hard exteriors act as a shield against heavy rain or strong winds. Air pocket survival. Some species of frogs and amphibians can hold their breath and wait out a flood by sealing off their airways and hiding in places that keep them above the rising waters. Final point, hibernation and dormancy. Seasonal dormancy. Animals that hibernate or enter dormancy, like bears and ground squirrels, often do so during periods when storms are frequent. This helps them avoid the harsh weather altogether by staying in a safe, temperature-controlled environment. In essence, animals have an impressive ability to sense storms and respond in ways that reduce the likelihood of harm. Whether by seeking shelter, altering their behavior, or utilizing specialized features, most animals are well equipped to survive extreme weather conditions. Please like, share and subscribe.